Hi guys, this is David back here at South Bay Ford. Want to bring you a quick video on how to use your rotary dial here on the Ford Explorer. All we're going to do is put your foot on the brake and then we're going to start the vehicle to access the rotary dial. Once the vehicle is on, all we're going to do is put your finger on the dial and then we're going to rotate it to the right. Then once you get to the preferable gear that you want to be in, you're going to be able to take off your parking brake. Once you take off the parking brake, you're going to be able to go. Once you want to turn off the vehicle, all you would just have to do is just put your hand on the rotary again, put it to the left side or to the preferred gear that you want to go to again. And then once you do that, you can actually turn off the vehicle safely. Just in case you didn't turn off the vehicle safely, you can also you can just turn off the vehicle and you don't have to worry about the vehicle not being in gear. It's not something that's recommended by Ford, but it is a safety feature so that way nothing gets messed up in your vehicle and also the car doesn't start rolling. That's a quick video on how to use your rotary dial.